Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to the reminder of slime making. I wanted to remind you that if you forget how to make slime, well, we're making slime. Comment down below, and remember, comment down below, what is your favorite slime? There's crunchy slime, butter slime, fluffy slime, any kind of slime.
Or any kind of color slime.
Oh, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification so you can get
And
notified.
don't forget to press the like button.
Don't forget to press the notification button so you can get notified every single video we post.
Don't choose 20 seconds. 20, 19,
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, now we're gonna pour in the slime. Gonna need
Channel X squiggles.
Gonna use some more
Squiggles.
squiggles, squiggles. I'm gonna need to fill the whole thing. Wow, it looks so cool, right?
DIY vision. Now look at mine.
Okay, I think that's enough glue. Done. Now we're going to need to look at the glue. Wow, looks fun.
Now oh yeah. Mix, 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 oh mix.
Oh, and if you don't know us, this is Aryan and I'm Kriti. Wow, this looks so fun. Okay, we just need to put the activator in. Yeah, I need to put the activator. Here's the activator.
And don't.
Okay, just remember to put a little bit. Okay, that's.
Oh my gosh, this is green. Oh my gosh, now it's
Oh no, I
green.
put too much. I'm not sure if it's gonna turn into slime. Now I'm gonna mix it.
Oh my gosh, this is too much.
Okay, let's put it back and let's mix. So I want you to see Aryan's too.
Wow, now it looks like frightening slime.
I don't know if mine is going to turn into slime or not.
That will not change into slime.
Let's see.
Oh my! Now we made it into green slime now.
I'm not sure if it's going to turn out well. I'm not sure.
Wait.
It looks too fudgy.
Oh my gosh, this is too sticky.
And it's too watery. So don't do the same mistake we did. Okay.
Don't do the same, just do your own.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so right.
Wow, I like it.
Wait, but I forgot. Do the comments below
So you should
who do you like better? Who do you like better? Oh my gosh. Let's start the bigger action.
Wow, this looks too fun, but sticky at the same time. You just need to work it out.
Look, this is so cool. Yeah.
Okay, just pour some more.
Ooh,
Wow.
now it's time to wash
I'm
it
gonna
into
play
the
with it a
action
little
mode. No, I need slime.
Squeeze the juice. Squeeze, squeeze.
Put the
squeeze,
slime in here.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Slime in the jetpack.
I'm not really sure if it's going to activate or not to slime.
Is it gonna activate to slime?
I have no idea because we're using a different activator.
I think it's gonna use activate to slime. Oh my gosh, now it's gonna be, oh goody, you put the wrong activator.
I don't care. Actually, I did put the wrong activator. The right activator is Thai and borax. You can use those activators, but I choose to use this one. It's kind of turning out to slime.
It's kind of turning out to sticky.
Be careful to mix this because this is kind of sticky.
Don't be careful to mix mine.
Just a little bit more slime.
Just a little bit.
Looks like soap.
Looks like soap, a bit washier. Oh my goodness, now your hands are messy.
My hands are messy.
It looks like I need a napkin of bread. Yo.
Wow, it's gonna feel like, if you play with it more, it's gonna be like more action. We're gonna need to have to work on it a little bit more. Can I feel yours, Aryan?
Yes.
Oh wow, yours is good. Except it's sticky.
Mine. My slime came out better.
Came out better?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yours is so sticky than mine.
Okay, we just need to pour out the activator out, and then it will like be like gone away. Okay, so
Wait, make the activator into spill. Activator.
wow, it's kind of messy.
Actually, we'll show Didi and Doug of this slime.
It's kind of breaking, but it's okay because I still like my slime that I made.
It's not sticky at all.
So good.
Don't be
And
careful.
I like it.
Yeah, you're right. It's
I wish I would pour out this activator.
what? Oh my gosh, mine is so spilly.
It's so messy, but you can still wash your hands. It's okay.
Yeah, so
You can
I'm
still wash your hands. I'm getting all this.
saving the activator.
I think we poured a little bit too much. We just need a little bit activator, and we need to work this out. Put a spoon, and oh no, mine is gonna be mad.
Actually, yours came out better than mine.
Why? Tell me why.
Because you just made a little bit lot of activator.
Just need to spread the juice. Ooh. And by the way, this is a messy slime hack.
This is a messy.
So this is actually a slime hack that's with this activator, and see how it turns out. It kind of turned out well, but sticky at the same time. Because this is not really a good activator, actually. And yeah.
Let's
it's not
put some
really a good
activator on it. So
But it's still kind of good. I kind of like my slime. This is kind of like soap, green soap. Green and white at the same time. Green, white.
gonna wash it up. So
I'm just gonna.
So
I like this slime. Do you like it, people?
So everyone
Because it's
likes
kinda
the slime. If you want to kind of, so
Don't everybody, I can see you.
I can see you, but don't know where it is.
Put some more.
Well, actually,
Well, guys, I'll see you next vlog. Bye. Oh, wait, don't forget to press the notification bell and subscribe and comment down below how messy it is when it's your first time making slime. This is actually my first time making slime.
and check the known factions.
And this is kind of weird and messy.
The Vacation of Aryan